Are you excited to explore a fascinating digital realm where money and technology intersect? Join us on a captivating journey as we unravel the mysteries of cryptocurrency. At Coin Simplified, we make it our mission to simplify the complexities and reveal the secrets behind this revolutionary financial phenomenon. Get ready to dive into a world where digital currencies thrive and gain a clear understanding of this exciting financial revolution. Hey, welcome to Coin Simplified, where we delve into the exciting world of technology and finance. In this video, we'll provide you with a comprehensive introduction to cryptocurrency. Whether you're new to the concept or looking to expand your knowledge, we've got you covered. Segment 1, what is cryptocurrency? So, what exactly is cryptocurrency? Simply put, it is a digital form of money that uses cryptographic technology to secure transactions and control the creation of new units. Unlike traditional currencies issued by central banks, cryptocurrencies operate on decentralized systems called blockchains. Unlike traditional currencies issued by central banks, cryptocurrencies operate on decentralized systems called blockchains. Imagine a blockchain as a public ledger, recording and verifying all transactions across multiple computers. This ensures transparency and prevents fraud. Cryptocurrency transactions are stored in blocks, forming an unchangeable chain of information. Segment 2, the birth of Bitcoin. The journey of cryptocurrency began with the invention of Bitcoin in 2009 by an individual or group using the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto. Bitcoin introduced the concept of a decentralized digital currency that operates without the need for intermediaries like banks. Bitcoin's impact cannot be overstated. It paved the way for the development of numerous other cryptocurrencies, transforming the financial landscape and capturing the world's attention. Segment 3, how does cryptocurrency work? Now, let's delve into how cryptocurrency actually works. Transactions are validated and recorded on the blockchain through a process called mining. Miners use powerful computers to solve complex mathematical problems, which adds new blocks to the chain. As an incentive, miners are rewarded with newly minted cryptocurrency coins. This mining process not only secures the network but also controls the supply of new units, making cryptocurrencies scarce and valuable. Segment 4, types of cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin might be the most well-known cryptocurrency, but there are thousands of others with unique features and use cases. Let's explore a few examples. Ethereum, beyond digital currency, it enables the creation of smart contracts and decentralized applications. Ripple, designed for fast, low-cost international transactions, particularly in the banking sector. Litecoin, often referred to as silver to Bitcoin's gold, it offers faster block generation and transaction confirmation. Each cryptocurrency has its own strengths and focuses on solving different problems within the digital economy. Segment 5, benefits and challenges. Cryptocurrencies come with a range of benefits. They allow for fast, secure transactions, often at lower fees compared to traditional banking systems. Additionally, they have the potential to provide financial inclusivity to the unbanked populations worldwide. However, challenges exist. Cryptocurrencies can be volatile, meaning their value can fluctuate significantly. Regulatory concerns and the presence of scams also pose risks. It's crucial to stay informed and exercise caution when engaging in cryptocurrency-related activities. Segment 6, real-world applications. Cryptocurrencies go beyond being digital money. They have paved the way for exciting innovations. Let's explore a few real-world applications. Smart contracts, self-executing contracts with predefined rules and conditions, enabling automation and trust in various industries. Decentralized finance, DeFi, disrupting traditional financial systems. DeFi offers services like lending, borrowing, and trading without intermediaries. Non-fungible tokens, NFTs. These unique digital assets enable ownership of digital art, collectibles, and more, revolutionizing the art and gaming industries. These applications demonstrate the transformative potential of cryptocurrencies beyond their monetary value. Segment 7, Future Outlook. What does the future hold for cryptocurrency? The future is promising, but it also presents challenges. Increased adoption, technological advancements, and regulatory clarity are key factors that will shape the path forward. We anticipate a gradual shift towards a more decentralized and inclusive financial system. Cryptocurrencies have the potential to empower individuals by providing greater control over their finances and fostering financial inclusion on a global scale. However, to achieve widespread acceptance, education and collaboration among various stakeholders are essential. Governments and regulatory bodies are working to establish frameworks that balance innovation with consumer protection. It's important to stay informed about the latest developments in the cryptocurrency space. By keeping up with news, understanding market trends, and engaging in responsible practices, individuals can navigate this evolving landscape more confidently. In conclusion, that wraps up our introduction to cryptocurrency. We hope this video has provided you with a solid foundation to explore further and make informed decisions. Remember, the world of cryptocurrency is constantly evolving, so staying curious, informed, and cautious is key. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our future content. Feel free to leave any questions or comments below, we'd love to hear from you. Thank you for joining us on this journey to unlock the world of cryptocurrency. Until next time, keep exploring the possibilities and embracing the exciting future of digital finance.